Okay. So, transport administration part we are discussing. So here we will discuss about the most common issues which we will face it here, right? So TR issues, transport issues here. So there are the written codes while importing the transport, that is called the 0, 4, 8, and 12. So these are the written codes here. Whenever you are importing the transport request, you may get the this type of written codes here, right? So 0 means it's a successfully imported, right? So 4 means successfully imported with warnings. 8 means one or more objects are having issue. The developers will take care of that part here. So whenever RC12 comes, whenever the RC12, so written code 12, which means so there are the some import system errors. Maybe it kind of a system error here. Import ended with so RC12, which means it's like a system error. System error means the main thing is we have to look at out the so they're the most common troubleshooting. Most things we have to check it out the so when the transport is importing, so we need to check the whether the background job is running or not. So there is a job RDD IMP DP job which is should be running status here. This should run from the 000 client, right? This should be running status. Then only the TR will be imported. If this job is not running, then TR will not be imported. It will keep on in the truck symbol only, importing. If 1 day, 2 days, 3 days also, it's keep on importing status only. So this job is should be running status. In case, in case, so job is not running. In case the job is not running here, job is so not running here. So what we have to do in case of job is not running? So then there is a remediation. We have to go to the SA38. We need to run the report is called the RDD new PP report. We have to execute in SA38 or SE38. So this report we have to execute it in the systems. This report we have to execute it. Then job will start it here. So why job will not start means because of the so maybe some duplicates or job step user is got locked. There are the multiple issues here. Job step user. Sometimes what happens? Job is running on the one user. Then job step user is locked or something will happen. There is a table for the TR bad. There is a TR bad tables. There is a lock entries here that we need to check it out the lock entries here. So this kind of things we have to so check it out. This kind of things we have to check it out here. And also sometimes the user TMS ADM user will be locked. Sometimes user will be locked, so we can unlock. We can unlock user. We can unlock user from SU01 transaction code here. Sometimes RFC destinations like so TMS ADM star TMS SUP. So RFC destinations are TMS ADM and DMS SCP RFC destinations are not working. We can go to the SM59. We can check the what are the host details it's maintained in the SM59 transaction code. Then we can check it out here. What are the those details, whether the RFC destinations are working or not. And also sometimes file system issues like under USR SAP trans. We need to check the ESR SAP trans here, right? So these are the common issues, common transport issues here, common transport issues in the system here in the STMS here. So sometimes TMS this trans directory got 100% full. Sometimes this will be unmounted. So sometimes the trans directory so unable to read the some other files, so file system corruption happens definitely. If the trans directory means configuration also will be impacted. So definitely it won't run. Sometimes there are no there are no free BTC work process. There are no free BTC work process in the system here, right? So BTC work process here, right? So that is the main. Sometimes so issues with the your user. So write permissions. File system issues means so sometimes when the TR is importing, it's able to write the logs into the trans directory under the log folder. If there is no some log entries, then there is no permissions to write the log entries, then it will fail it here, right? Incorrect. So so multiple things, multiple issues can cause the issues. These are the some frequent issues. So maximum, so main thing is this type of issues you will get it out here. Then immediately we can go ahead and we can fix the problems here. We can go ahead and we can fix the so issues by using the run the report, by executing the report in SA38, that we can fix it out here, right? That is the one of the important thing here. So RC12 system error preventing to the import here. So common issues like incorrect system configurations, right? Missing transport destinations between the systems, user locks, issues with the transport queues, and object dependencies and database errors. So these are the main things here. Coming to the troubleshooting, we need to check the status in STMS transaction code, how the transport is importing. We need to check the logs in STMS. We go to the SAP level, go to the STMS and TP system log, so we can check the we can verify the RFC connection between the systems and user authorizations, any locked users and the transport object. Sometimes what happens, so the transport will depend on the some dependencies of the transports, some other transports. Then we need to look at out the so those things as well here. Those things also we need to look at out the STMS transaction code. You can go ahead to here. So then here just to go to the here in the options itself, we have the TP system log. So it's keep on asking the password means that is because of the so your TMS configuration is you are not wrongly maintained the details and everything. That's why sometimes what I will happen, this will keep on ask the detail configurations here. User ID, passwords, TP system log, import history, import monitor, these things, TMS alerts. So TMS, CCMS alerts here. Check why it is the RFC connection invalid, local configuration. See, there are some errors here. So you can check this kind of errors here. So TMS alerts, CCMS alerts monitoring here. So then you can see the alerts, what's happening with the system. So here, all kind of things you can see here, right? So that is the configurations. So multiple things, multiple things can cause the so transports unable to import it here. Basic troubleshooting, you need to verify the RFC destinations, TMS ADM user, background job is running or not here, right? And also the trans directory, sometimes like in the temp directory, it's already in use. Sometime like that, we have to fix it out. And yes, log unable to find out the log folder, right? So job, so then tr bat, tr job. There are some we have to delete the some entries from the tr bat, tr job, tr stats. So there are the multiple issues. Some open TP process at OS level, the many OS process here, we need to cancel it. So if you start troubleshooting these areas, you can fix the TMS related issues in the systems. Okay. This is the most common TR issues. In case of the written code 12, we need to check it out. If the written code 8, then we can inform to the respective functional team to, so respective development team to check the object related issue. 0 and 4 are the successfuls. So you no need to take the action here, right? This is our continuous activity in the TR side. Okay. So any questions, anyone? Then next, so What is that next? These are the common issues after the transport imports.